Why is salt so important? And what's the difference? Salt is an important ingredient for all of our cooking, whether it's baking or the savory side of cooking. Adding salt to your foods, what its job most of the time is to allow your taste buds to absorb the flavors that are already there. And so here on the table we have kosher salt, we have sea salt, and then we have, this is a flaky, like a really big flaky sea salt. And so if we looked at the difference of them, we have kosher salt, so we have sea salt coming up next. Its grain is a lot finer. And then we have this flaky sea salt. All of these will work. And when you choose your salt again for what purpose you were trying to achieve in the end. If you just need it for chemical reactions, then the kosher salt and the sea salt would work the same as long as they're going to dissolve. Why you would kind of choose a different salt is for the difference in crystal size you might be looking for. Like this flaky sea salt, if you use it at the end of something where it's not melting in, it'll give you these really robust flavor crystals and flavor of the salt on something. But if it's getting melted in, it doesn't really matter. That's what's important for you to know in the baking portion of making your crust. Is the salt has two objectives. The first is to make the crust flavorful, so that all the flavors that are in there from the flour and whatever fat you used to let you taste it while you're eating. And the other part of the salt is for the chemical reaction, because when the salt blends with the fats and with the flours and the proteins, it'll help you get the color, like the browning of your crust. Right? So when you're using salt, think about what your purpose and what your goal is, and then you can pick your salts from there, and that will make a really great crust and all of your cooking a whole lot better.